This isn't even a video warm-up, this is just a repetition exercise apparently.
Ready?
Hello! Welcome to Dorky Ever After.
Welcome.
We are warmed up and ready after that.
Wow! I'm so excited.
Cool. So, today is another Japanese unboxing. You may remember from the video a while ago when we unboxed Disney Store Japan. We promised you another Japan unboxing. Look at this giant box we ordered from Bai. It was so good. It had a really cool Disney Japan package that included this guy, Disney Mickey Daruma, and many other things.
Okay.
If you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it after this one. Today's unboxing is a personal highlight for me that I've been excited for because I personally prefer Pokemon.
To be honest, I like the Pokemon Center too.
Pokemon Center is so Japan, it's so
just
good.
So good.
This video is kindly gifted by Bai, who gave us some credit to use. They've also provided a cool coupon you can use if you do want to use it. It gives you 1,000 yen off. Info down below. Should we unbox?
Yeah, I'm gonna start.
Cool.
It matches me.
It does match you, that's actually really adorable.
Yeah! It's
Part of the Ditto series.
Look at my keychain. Look, he's like pat pat.
Pokemon Center's Ditto series is really fun. They like pull out different Pokemon each time and like turn them into Ditto.
I love it.
Or turn Ditto into
I
Pokemon.
think I have more Ditto Pokemon than
I got this. It's an unknown plush.
yeah.
Unknown T.
T.
Because I'm called Tom. Really happy with that. It's so cool. I also got two other unknown plush. I got an unknown L. My friend Liam. And then, of course, because I can't just do that, I also got a little unknown J.
It's me. I like him. Thank you for the iPhone.
What is it? What is it? Oh, it's got Wooloo on it.
It's got all of them. It's a lunch container. Hot food.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay, that's really cool.
So this is hot food tin. It's got everything. It's so cute. I love the Lulu.
Curry to go.
Pretty
Curry
much.
to go. I just see these thermoses and I think curry to go.
I think soup, but
Here's another thing I got. So this is one of those blind boxes. If you guys remember from the Japan unboxing we did a while ago, I got one of these remount figures that was a Sakura Cherry Blossom. Got really lucky and got the Pikachu and Hoppip, which I loved. So should we see which one we get next?
yeah.
Cool. Here we go. Four. Okay! Okay, we got lucky. We got the top of the tree. It's a little shaman. Top of the tree, but it means I can put it on top of the other one I have and finish up the tree. Here it is, little top of the tree shaman. It's so adorable.
Oh, my little sitting guy.
Little sitting guy.
Yeah. You can set him on a ledge, so he sits on the ledge.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. It's between this one and the sleeping one, but we missed the sleeping one.
We should swap them with the Daruma since
No,
that
put
was
him
the old
next
video.
to it.
Okay, that's adorable.
It's so
Oh.
good.
Cool. Next up, I got a load of Pokemon cards. I have a weird thing for Japanese Pokemon cards. I let myself open these once a week, I think maybe as a treat. We'll open one now. So cool. I think I've got a rare one here. Right, okay. I think I saw a rare one, so. Got a Bunnelby. Dorky. It's the, like, Farfetch'd from Gala, so it's like British Farfetch'd. And then, oh yeah! I got Grookey's Evolution. VMAX. I think it's a VMAX? I'm not sure. Yes, it's V.
Oh, I'm gonna open both these because we got these for both of us.
Okay.
Do you want Pikachu or Eevee?
Which one do you like the most? I kind of like the Eevee one there.
Eevee's for you then.
Eevee's for me. What are these?
Chopstick.
Oh, cool little chopstick cases.
Yeah. Here's the Pikachu one.
That's so cool.
This is the Pikachu one. And you open it up and it does that.
And this is the Eevee one. Eevee. Eevee. Squeaky. And then chopsticks and a spoon.
Yeah, so you can have curry.
That's so cool. Okay, I love it.
Now, hold on to that for a second.
It's like a magic trick.
The next one is an open
And next
box.
I'm going to make an actual Japanese curry appear from a hat.
I got you a lunchbox for it.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah. Mine's a Pokédoll one. Ta-da, Pikachu.
And then Jamie also got me another Pokédoll one, but it's covered in all the different Pokédolls. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
On the bag sense, I have another bag that I got because I've been shopping a lot more with reusable bags.
Yeah.
So I got this, which is it's the contents of a trainer's bag.
Yeah, it's cool.
So it's decorated with what would be inside a Pokemon trainer's bag. So here we have the contents of the trainer's bag, tote bag, which is good for shopping. Has everything that would be inside of a Pokemon trainer's bag, from TMs to Pokedexes to mini Rowlet treats to an escape rope, and it's really cool. I'm excited to go shopping with this because it's kind of like a subtle little Pokemon shopping bag. Oh! It's really cute.
This is a lovely Pikachu oven mitt. Look at the fashion. Look at the Pikas.
Such fashion, such
Flower.
wow, such Pikachu. Next up, I have this thing I got. So I absolutely love all of the dessert forks and things, and I've been eating a lot of cake recently. That's not going to change. So I got some special Pokemon dessert forks and spoons. It matches your oven mitt.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, how cute are they? They're like a little Pikachu on there. It's really fun. And I ordered this for Jamie Jo, which is like a little A4 file with glue on it for you.
Here we have a blind box.
Blinder box.
Blind box.
Jamie has this rule with these boxes where it's only get the box if you like every single one of these.
Yeah.
And I like stars and space and Pikachu, so I got this one.
Yeah, I think every one of those is good.
I kind of want you to open it because you're lucky.
Oh, there's too many good ones. Okay, we're all good. I want every single one. That is a good box. It's not a bad one. He's sipping and drinking.
Oh, he's got like a little mustache.
I know, that's what I was like, oh, that's
It's
cute.
adorable. And it comes with a ditto.
Yeah, I know.
Look at Pikachu's little drinks mustache.
There he is with his little milk mustache. It has a cushion, but the surprise is that the cushion is a ditto.
I ordered something I wish I'd got in Japan when I was there before. It's a Pokemon card file, like the Japanese one. It's like an actual folder book, but it comes with some special card pouches that go inside.
And there's the extras.
And it comes with an extra thing where you get like a little special divider page where you can divide it with a page, and you can add extra card wallets.
Yeah.
So it's going to be pretty good. I'm excited to put my Pokemon cards in there. The final thing in the order is this is something I ordered from Japanese eBay. Because Pokemon Cafe, and you can only get this in the Pokemon Cafe itself, so you can't get it online. The sender very kindly sent me this with the order though, which is, let's try and get it out. Oh no.
The coaster.
When you order like a drink in the Pokemon Cafe, or like any cafe generally, like themed, you get a special themed coaster with your drink, and this is the Pokemon Sword and Shield Legendary that was given out recently. And then what I got from there is a glass. Jamie got one of these glasses when we went to the cafe before. I was a bit jealous, / wanted one to match, so I thought it was really cool and be cool to have two. So I got another one.
That's good.
And there it is. One of the Pokemon Cafe glasses. So now we have two of these lovely Pokemon Cafe glasses, one from when we were actually there, and this one from wishing I'd bought a second one to match, and we can have Pokemon Cafe from home. Cool. Well, that's our unboxing.
Good. Very good.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Again, thank you to Bai. Again, also gifted #ad, I guess, viewers and stuff. Basically, we're happy, but if you want to find out more about Bai, there are links in the description.
And a discount code where you can get 1,000 yen off if you do want to order any Dorky stuff yourself from Bai. It's really good. Good fun.
So good.
Such good fun. Now we're going to go like put this in our kitchen and enjoy the Disney and everything. Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
So we guys will see you next week on Sunday. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, throw a like on the video, and see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, it's me, Tom Burns, from the future of when this video was recorded. When we first recorded this video, we obviously hadn't uploaded our Disney Store video yet, but since uploading that video, a few of you guys have asked us how you can buy from the Disney Store Japan, and probably after this video, the Pokemon Center Japan, using Bai. So this is the Add to Bai button. This is an extension you can add if you're using Google Chrome. Once you've signed up for your Bai account and you're logged into Bai, You literally just go to the website, the Pokemon Center Japan website or the Disney Store website, pull up the item you want to buy and hit the add to buy button, then it gets added to your buy cart. It's really simple and easy. Go straight through to buy, and I hope this helps you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this week's video, and if you haven't seen last week's video yet, please do check it out. It was a really fun Disney Store unboxing, and I love the Mameki Daruma. Bye.